Alright, it's Quattro season. I'm over here, Sayreville boat ramp. I'm gonna hit the fun button. This turns traction control off. This is, I guess, what they're calling the bomb cyclone snowstorm that's hitting the Northeast. My seagull buddies are over here, like just laying in the snow. I guess that's what they're trying to do to stay warm. I don't see how that's gonna work in any way, shape, or form. But here we go. If you could see my tracks, but they're pretty deep. I may even be plowing a little bit with my front bumper. Other truck that was here has now left. I'm gonna see if I can have some more fun now. You can see snow drifts just coming over the car because this lot is untouched except for me doing this.